Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Objective. We at Objective Game put together a list of the top upcoming RPG or open world games in 2024. Imagine a world where you can explore with colorful characters while having to a massive vast landscape. Well, game number one is Zelda Zone Zero. This is a beta RPG role-playing game from the developers behind Genshin Impact. While we do not have a confirmed date for the release of the game, release date for Zelda Zone Zero is set to launch in 2024. This game will be available for the PC platform, for PC, PS, PlayStation, PC platform, iOS and Android. Imagine another world where you can, imagine a world is mini city where you can explore a open world and is free to play. This open world game was made by serene, which is a open world map or open world RPG game which is a rival to Genshin Impact. So guys also got a bonus game for you guys, which is Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, which will be coming out in 2024 as well. If you also in this story is winning. So this is the open world where you can explore, complete quests, and you also have a story mode and a lot of other key features in the game as well, or mechanics, graphics and other key games. But we do not, if you want more details about the game mechanics, we're gonna have that listed in our guide below the video. So click the link over and we'll have a guide with the list of all the games we mentioned in this video, plus the bonus games and what skill features on game point and all that. Yeah guys, thanks for watching, and this has been the some of the top open world RPG role-playing games for 2024. So we put together we last review and we move. You guys enjoy.